Welcome to ResNexus. In this video, we are going to cover how to use Expedia Promotions and how to manage them using Direct Connect. Once you've signed into ResNexus and navigated to your settings page, you're going to head to your Direct Connect channel and select Expedia. You'll see on the right-hand side of the page the Promotions tab. In here, you'll see any of your existing Expedia promotions, as well as any future promotions that you have set up. You have the option to create different types of promotions, including basic, early booking, multi-night, and same day. You can also click into any of your existing promotions to make edits. Once you're in the promotions page, it will create an ID for that promotion. You'll enter the name, which is also going to function as your coupon code. You'll set the status, whether you want this to be active or inactive, a start date, an end date, the window of time during which the guest can stay to receive the promotion, minimum and maximum advance notice, and any stay length requirements. You will then enter if it is going to be a single discount or a day of the week discount, as well as the base % off, and if you are offering an additional % off for members, you would add that as well. For example, if you wanted it to be 15% off for non-members and 20% off for members, you would put 15% in the base and 5% in the member-only field. You'll select which rate plan this is going to apply to and any blackout days for that promotion. If you want to flag it as a contracted promotion, member-only or mobile user-only, you will do so here, and you'll select Save. And that's how you manage your Expedia promotions in Direct Connect in ResNexus. Thanks for learning more about ResNexus.